This is I am working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Technology. In this video, tell about implementing class methods. There are two ways. Member function defined outside the class, that is using binary scope resolution operator, types member name and class name. Uniquely identify functions of a particular class. Different classes can have member function with the same name. Format for defining a member function. First, declare the return type and the class name. Use the scope resolution operator, member function name, and then open bracket, close bracket, then braces. Member function defining inside the class. Member function defining inside the class using class name student, int roll number and the name, and then public get data. Get data is the member function name and the roll number and name is the member variable. It declare in private. In the outside the public section, declare the member functions. There are two kind of functions. First one is get data, second one is put data. How to call function means using object name we can call the functions. Function name is yes, that object name is yes. Access the first function name get data and the second function name put data. It is used to print the values. Member function defining outside the class. Here student roll number and name. Public part, that is two types of functions. First one is get data and put data. In student use scope resolution operator, access the get data function. We put the roll number and name. That variables store the roll number and the name. Then put data to display the given names, roll number and names. These also declare as object name for accessing member functions. Characteristics of member function. Different classes have same function name. The membership label will resolve their scope. Member functions can access the private data of the class. A non-member function cannot do this. Friend function can do this. A member function can call another member function directly without using the dot operator. Accessing class members. Operators or operators to access a class members identical to those for structs. Dot member selection operator, object reference to object, arrow member selection operator, pointers. Static members. The data and functions of a class may be declared static in the class declaration. A static data member has similar properties to the C static variable. The static data member is initialized with 0 when the first object of its class is created. No other initialization is permitted. Only one copy of the member is created for the entire class and is shared by all the objects of that class, no matter how many objects are created. It is visible only within the class, but its lifetime is the entire program. Static member function. Like static data member, we can also declare static member functions. A static function can have access to only other static members, functions or variables declared in the same class. A static member function can be called using the class name, scope resolution operator and function name. This is the example program. Int code, static int This is the other example programs for declaring passing values and passing objects as function arguments. This is the best example programs for reference. Thank you.